Today we have a one owner 2015 Subaru Legacy Premium Edition, 21,000 miles, clean AutoCheck, which is free of accidents, 30-day dealer warranty. Go ahead and give you a look. See, it does have a nice aggressive Subaru styling on the front. It has your chrome grille and your badging, the aluminum look grille. Has the chrome bezeled headlights with high definition headlighting. And you have your 17-inch alloy rims, Goodyear Assurance rubber on there, between 1/2 and 3/4 tread on the tires, plenty of rubber. And you'll see it does have the roof, along with the satellite radio. See, the interior is black on black, cloth seats, black carpeting. It does have a little billet aluminum look panels on the door and the dash. It does also come with heavy rubber floor mats, which will really help your carpet on these winter days, keep the salt and the calcium off your carpet. You see the back seats, pretty ample space back there. It does have the fold down armrest, which doubles as a cup holder. And the back tires, same tread, maybe just a little better than the front. And you'll see the Subaru badging on the back, Legacy, symmetrical all-wheel drive motor, of course. Pop the trunk to give you a look in there. You will see it also has the heavy rubber matting back there to protect your trunk. And you fold that up along with the under panel. You'll see you have your jack and your tools, a couple cubby spaces if you need to haul anything. And underneath that is your spare. So if you'll be along the road with a flat tire at any point, you have everything in there that you'll be able to take care of it. And you'll see the driver's door has your windows, locks, mirrors, all power. And we crawl inside. You see you have your trunk button, you have your traction control, you have your switch there for dimming the interior lighting. And your steering wheel, you have your heads-up display. You have your voice activation, Bluetooth, telephone connections. You have your cruise control. And the neat thing about this model, you have your paddle shifters. So you have the automatic transmission, but if you choose to shift it manually, you can up and down shift with those paddles. And driver's passenger side airbag, of course. We can hit a light dash up here so you can have a look. You'll see 21,643 mileage currently. And we'll show you the display screen here for your audio. And you can run your phone right through here also. Just link it through there. Plus you can get on there and there's lots of things you can do on here. You can get your weather. And there we go. You can follow your fuel mileage consumption. You have your maintenance records there. You can even follow the stock market on there if you choose to. And you look down below that, you'll see the driver and passenger side heated seat buttons. You have your air conditioning and heating controls there, along with the front and rear defrost. Underneath there you have a cubby space. You have 2 large cup holders. You have your hill descent button. You have your electronic parking brake. Center console has a tray there for coins or cell phone maybe, and then there's a deep cubby underneath that for storage. And you do have your roof. And the interior of this car is real clean. There's no tears in the seats, carpeting, nothing like that. going to fire this up and give you a look at the engine bay. You'll see it's also nice and clean under the hood. The engine in here, we have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder dual engine cam. Around 180 horsepower, give or take a few. Fuel economy is really great on these. It used to be not so good on the all-wheel drive cars, but you can expect to get mid-30s out of this car on the highway and around mid-20s around town. The last thing I'm going to do on this video is we're going to walk around here and see if we can find any damages or blemishes on here to show you. That way, if you're interested in coming out to take a look at this car, you kind of know a little bit about what's going on with it before you get here. We kind of try to take pride in showing you guys what we have and exactly what blemishes that are on it before you waste your time and come out and look at it and are disappointed. Looking across the back bumper, it's actually good and clean there too. A lot of the cars you'll have scuffs and scrapes back there from people dragging luggage in and out of the trunk. There is a scratch about an inch long on the back door there. It has been buffed over. It's just slight. It's not a very deep scratch at all. There's a small scuff, scrape, probably about 2.5 inches long on the driver's side front air dam down on the bottom of the bumper. A couple tiny stone chips on the front bumper, which is pretty much to be expected out of a used car. If you guys are in the market for one of these cars or know anybody that might be, it's a pretty good looking Subaru Legacy. You can come on out and schedule a test drive, or if you just want to call and have any questions, you can always just give us a buzz too. Our number here is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thanks.